All right, when he's ready now, I could get started with it. Bar Higher Rabban Gamliel, Elizabeth Zari, Rabbi Yeshua, Rabbi Akiva, Mahalchan. The Zelva was mehert in the Megillah and the Haggadah. Rabbi Elizabeth Nazari, Rabbi Shir, Rabbi Akiva, aber zusammen mit Rabban Gamliel, Mahalchan Bederich. They were traveling with Shamu Kol Amoyna Shel Roimim Plata. They heard the big noise from the city of Rome, Baruch Mea Vesra Mil, even though it was 120 miles away. V'schilu boichin, they started to. Rabbi Akiva Masachik, but Rabbi Akiva laughed. Amru loy, mipnei ma'ad to Masachik. They asked him, why are you laughing? What's lachsti? Amru lahem, v'zei v'tem mipnei ma'ad to boichin. What's feinsti? Why are you crying? Amru loy. They said to him, aluli kishim, kisim, whatever. Shmishtachim latzubim tatrim avodiskachavim yorishvim betach v'hashkeit. V'uni, v'ayisudim ragloi l'kaini surif. V'ayish v'loy nivke. So it says these pagans, they are they're worshiping idols and they're offering incense to idolatry, and yet they're sitting safely and securely. And we, the house of the setting of our God is burned in fire. Why should we not cry? Omalahem pusvayt men nicht, dass the goyim sind betach v'shalvan ins nicht. Omalahem zugzai l'kachani mitzachik. Wegen des lacht mich. This is why I'm laughing. If that's the case for those who violate His will, for those who perform His will, all the more so. The Heilige Rebbe Zisha in Gefleck Zugen as Sadua bekannte Wort as Binstunden soll sein gesinnt und stark wie a Goy. Was meinte, a Goy hat nicht kein Schiss und ist gesinnt und stark. Viele man hat nicht kein Schiss, Allah es kam bekam. Aber as man hat, in the äußere Zäune, we fulfill God's will all the more so. Shiv Pamachas, Oilem Yerushalayim. Hoye Oilem Yerushalayim. Noch einmal, zu sehen, Oile gewähnt zu Yerushalayim, kem Shagiel ar Tzoifim, Korbeg Daim. So they went up to Yerushalayim, and when they came to Mount Scopus, they tore their clothes, they rent their clothes. Kaven Shagiel ar Abayis, is in Kim's ar Abayis, where is you? Shutzim Ois Kutshe Kudushim Schilo Hain Boichin. So in Kim's Arabais, the Gezaint fix was the Roska Kim and Kodesh Kodoshim. When they came to the Temple Mount, they saw a fox or a jackal coming out from the place of the Holy of Holies, with Chilohain Boichin and the Ungehait Weinen. I remember once I was in Yerushalayim and I was in Alt Shtut, and they brought me into a certain building. It used to be a mosque, and a Yid bought it, and he went. You could see in the minaret, you could see the Harabayas, and I saw a shield, I saw a jackal, something there on the Harabayas. Just remember, it 20 years ago, more, 25 years ago. Kaiv and Shagila is Chila Boichin Rebbe Kimet Sachik. So the other Tanoim were crying, and Rebbe Kiva was laughing. Amar Leminea to Metzachik, Kefek was Lachsi, what are you laughing? Amar Lehem, Neymar Tem Boichin, Kefek was Feinstein, why are you crying? Rebbe Kiva asked why you're crying. Amar Shekusiv by Vizar. A Kurev Yimis, Ashav Shalom Hilchaboivel Nevke. So Shteit is a Nora Coin, nor the Coin Godel guy in dort, and yet Shalom, a fixing guy dort. There's jackals running around there. Amal Mekachnim Tzachik Siva Edi, the Ida Lieb Idem, the Munim Asiri a Coin, the Ais Zachar ben Yervecha, Prima Inyan Iri Etzel Zacharia, Iri ben Mikdash Rishon, Zachar ben Mikdash Shiny, Elu, Shal Kosev Neviusoi, Shal Zachar ben Neviusoi, Shal Iria. Erik Siv Lechain, Glauchem Sian Sude Techurish, Schar Ksiv, Oid Yaish Fiz Kindness Berchovis Yishalayim. So he said there's two different Nevias. There's a Pasuk in Yeshayahu that speaks about Irakoin, and there's Zachariah. What does one have to do with honor? One's the first base Mikdash, one the second. So he said when the Nevuah of Uriah in the Novi Micha brings that the Harabayas will be like a field that's plowed. And by Zachariah it says there'll be old people sitting in the streets of Yerushalayim. Until they prophecy of Uriah was not fulfilled. I was afraid that the nevuah of Zechariah would not be filled. Achshav sheneskayim nevuah shel neviah. Yet, as the Mekayim geworden in the nevuah von Uriah b'diah nevuah shel Zechariah miskayemes nevis klur. As Lozain, we know clearly that it will be. Belushin said, "Hazeh keeping the chamtuni akiva and the chamtuni," and this is the language that they used. They said akiva for us, akiva you come to for us. Hadron alach Elohein Elohim slikul mesechs malkos. Hadron alach mesechs malkos. Hadron chaladat mesechs malkos. Hadron chaladat mesechs malkos. No ball magain no say Hadron alach mesechs malkos. Hadron chaladat mesechs malkos. Sashman no sechs malkos. Sashman ball magain no say Hadron alach mesechs malkos. No chaladat no mesechs malkos. Hadron alach Sashman mesechs malkos. No say no ball magain no say Yortz mufnach Hadron Elohim no say Shetay no teras no say no ball say Manon loyal mahabachim papa Rami papa Nachman papa Abamari papa Racham papa Brachish papa Suchem papa papa Tor papa Arab no other Elohim was reverse source company with some Kabis Robani Cholanu Nachman Sinim Session Kolam Kabis Kolani Rish Mechman is Sechel Shmoy Vich Sechel Libi some Kukecha one of which Lamas Kach Fukadecha Kiba Mchi Sunni Burkhat what they know Lamding Kukecha only no man when celebrate when an often the Elohim was Shanta who can issue this medrash. Loish something how can you show chronos shuni mashkevnei mashkevnei revisor mashkevnei dvam dvete one with the mail him on the camel soccer on the one could come someone wants some khayla ma babe wants some shachas shmo shachas and loich so you may when you have that boy you are some nach the noel high shem shoes are sign messages Marcos Temas como se fosse formando que não sabe uma luz mais isso called every some days I have a discussion some of the community are so some military people the one time you school kan خويس خاف شخص مش ما لاقى كبير بين ما خبير في الخش ناس خايم ما خيم مش ما لوش خبرت انه يا ما كان نادين هاي بيرسم بشاون يسكادو بيسكاد شميد ابو سو داس الخير مسايا بس هو يسون الخير ما لبني كاتب شلي ما شاف هي خلو من مكر بفن نخرج من عرا لاس بو وخلنا نسمع لاش بين ما نسكت بيخلون خصبي كريبي ياتم بخيم خو بيس سو باغ بس من كل مين ايش من رابنبرغ ايو يسفرق يشابن سناس 30000 بس مش كنت بريخي لايل من خبر خصبي شو سيش بكوس الناس مثلا رمان بول ما بي رومين ابي سو رابن كم جن ما كم دي سو جن كوماندوس كان براك دي دو سو ثينج دي سو صار صار يلا الهين ممكن نشلم رابع ممكن بخس رابع ممكن بيخن زين بيخن ممكن سيادة شماي ممكن شماي رابع يومين ايش المرام شماي بخم لين وكل شيء بين يومين ايش شلم من مرام في براكم ياس شماي وكل شيء بين يومين I live in White Lake. Maybe Cholomoyed if you can briefen. Oh my. Yeah, someone who is Masader? I'll give my phone number. Yeah, Mr. Shanafter. Yeah. All right. Cholomoyed, ich habe Gelegenheit, weil ich nicht in Arbeit. I'll try. I'll see. Maybe. People can find me on Mr. We'll see. Let's look around. I'll find me on too.